imidi phela ekseni imeli uphume uyoshaya iround emajidini, you understand? Then sometimes abanye nomaketha ntamba mabuya ngibona umuntu uchintshile ebusweni, umuntu akasekho right, nginini umuntu akutshela ayi mina ngicela ngiphumele la ekhaya kanti wena uyanini kini 99 bra, kanti wena uyanini kini, uyayibona into njengale. So kula ngigcina ubona khona hayi ngcono ngiyofisa abazali zingihwayile, anginanemali ukusuka le kibomedi ukuze ekhaya
uze vele ngesithuba
ngiza ngiyahaya khajo ngiphethe plastic, believe indoda ebeyikhona ukugcoka boma-Avita, gqoka boma-Gucci, yazi sepedile out yami, ezinye seyizele lena bayanga ngala particular ukuthi you've got something.
But when if ungazifaka ecathuleni zabomedi, will you go to somebody ongananisi uyimeli?
No, mina injalo awuthi vela ngeke kuye emntwini ongananisi because udinga iprep.
Lava sobise uthi ambulala be.
Things ama-speculate things okwamahosha na.
Leyo bengifuna Joe, we leave no stone unturned.
Ready. Usimpiwe dana. I really did. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Welcome back to yet another episode of Realign with 925. You know we're doing it like we're doing it for TV, the podcast that other podcasters watch. Yo guys, you know that you know what this podcast is all about. So today in Petum Chita, go by the name Utsepo. So Utsepo na is here to push our awareness to tell us about his upbringing, his way about in life, and Naguti Utinasega pusha in empilweni. So guys, I hope you're gonna stick to this episode and enjoy story Sagatsepo because the way Minan Kotelenga Kon. It's very, very intriguing. So yeah, Tsepo kazi.
Bafoko njani?
Ngiyaphila kanjani mfethu?
Mfethu
Sure case brother. Yeah, ngiyabonga mfethu ukuthi sishema ngibekela ngendaba ye-podcast. Ngoba ne-interest ukuthi nawe uyathanda ukuthi ushare whatever things that you went through empilweni nabantu and nokuthi more to educate you. You understand?
Yes,
so showcase ngizocela ukuthi umtsepana azibike ebantwini ukuthi ubani ukhulele phi and sizolobele nje isikhuluma ngama-question nami ngizoloku ngingena. Showcase.
Okay, mina bafowethu igama lami ngingutsepo kwaMasilela, abanye bangibiza uSimon. Ngikhulele eMbalenhle, qala isikolo eMbalenhle Zamokuhle, aqedela iKiratswana class of 2005.
Yeah.
So ngithe mangiqeda isikolo izoya start the series.
Bokuqeda vele grade 12.
Mangiqeda grade 12.
Yo.
My mom was just so choosy for me. Ikafuna ngikwenza law. So ngokuthi thina sikhulile emva kweSasol.
Yeah.
So I decided ukuthi hayi man nami ngifuna ukusebenza eSasol.
During St. Fuel mining.
Yes.
Yeah.
So umama ngiphusha indoda hamba esikolweni. So ngadaka umama athi asikubaba wathi simiyeke simnike ichance ke simbone. Okay ngangena emakontrakini. Ngazama ukuphusha emakontrakini. Hayi yaflop impilo emakontrakt. Ngathi ngizama ukubuyela back emuva. Umama wathi danami isikhathi siyahamba and usebenzile wayibonga beki imali. Ngathi ama bokuthe uzongifundisa wathi but now is 3 years so late so busy ngama contract so nami kumele ngiphushe kunye sokhulile.
Yes sir.
Angeke ngicambela amanga umama ukuthi bayangafuni ukuthi ngesikolweni.
Yeah.
Mabe kazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi akhona ukuthi yena azincintshe imali yokugibela khona ukuthi akimina ngesikolweni ngikhela. So mabra izwe impilo istart khona ngaphuma econtractini ngaqala ngingena ngigijima ama contract around South Africa. Ngibuye eMudupi power station ibuildwa, ngibuye kuSile power station, ngibuye Durban engine, ngibuye Cape Town, ngibuye Caltex, Sasolburg na Trev. But bra ilife ihambe yangishaya ngamithana nomuntu wesimami. Ngijikela abazali sengisekusile. Ekhaya ngasezi ngihlale with banking ngasezi ekhaya. So ngastika kakhulu emntwini esimami. Ngaze ngaba nomntwana naye. Ngamthola nomntwana.
Wamthola nengcuzi.
Ngamthola nengcuzi.
Then wenza eyakho.
Ngenza eyami. Sicala ukumithana in 2012.
All right.
By that time bengiseMudubi.
Okay.
So I resigned eMudubi in 2013 ngiza ekusile kwenye company akanimiti.
Yeah.
So nginaye. Ekhaya ngisezi sengicina ukuthumela imali. Yazi abazali ngoba phile 2000 ngenyanga eningi uyidla ngapha.
Yeah, at least at fun. Yeah.
So kwaba nale ndaba ukuthi secala ikhaya soyatshintsha. Ngikhulele esontweni eRoma, you understand? So ngikhule ngomntana wesonto. Ngitshintsha sengisekusile. Ngaphuma esandleni sabazali. Astika ngapha empilweni engakhulanga ngayo. I meet my friends, I start end up ngidlala ama-dice, bangifundisa ama-dice.
While uspan?
Well ngispan.
Wena.
Sure. Manje ningiseyidlala ama-dice ngicala manje sengiba namanga eMedini. Ikhaya mase emsebenzini sesiceda ngicamba amanga eMedini ngithi ngekhaya. Angize ekhaya ngicamba amanga ngithi ngiyakagogo. Well mina ngihamba ngiyakuboma jozi ngi-entertain myself ngiyi-one. So into engiyizamile kuyibona empilweni le ukuthi yazi kwesinye isikhathi okay abazali bangabachoose bo but izama ukuthi mawumuntu ezinye zezinto nawe uzame ukuthi uzibeke ungatshintshi into okhule ngayo ukhule ngayo out yami khule ukuhlonipha uhamba isonto sesibadala sekumele out esandleni sabazali sekumele sizidecidele sengiyaflopa sekumele ngigadwe ngimdala uyayibona into nje
yeah and future kusinto sharp le
yes ayisinto right leyo sekumele ngigade ngimdala up until ekusile contract mayiphela iyaphela back to square one so sorry kusho kaso but ngagcina sengibona ukuthi nalabe ngikhona bengithi bengingathandwa mina bekuthandwa imali ngothi ngithe mangiphelelwa ispan kwamele ukuthi ngibuye ekhaya umzali uyazi ukwamukela njengomntana
so manje bobloma eMedini kubomeli or benicashile nemeli
bengibloma kibomeli
so manje mase kuphela ispan iziphi indlela ebakukhomba ngazo ukuthi mfethu ngathi usadingakali
uzobona ngeaction yemeli phela ekseni imeli uphume uyoshaya around emajidini you understand then sometimes abanye nomakethe antamba mabuya ngibona umuntu uchintshile ebusweni umuntu akasekho right nginini umuntu akutshela ayi mina ngicela ungiphumele la ekhaya kanti wena uyanini kini 99 bra kanti wena uyanini kini uyayibona into njengale so kula ngigcina ubona khona ukuthi hayi ngcono ngiyofisa abazali ngibuyele ekhaya go back to home
avele ekhaya vele uyangena ungaphethe ngafoko
uyangena mawungena by that time futhi uma wathi mangena wathi nangu umntana wami uTsepiso who is been while ngathi ngizama uchaza hayi mntana wami yenza ukudla naku ngisho kulambile bra zingikhwayile anginane imali ukusuka leki bomeli ukuze ekhaya
uze vele ngesithuba
ngiza ngiyahike ju
awena
ngiphethe iplastic believe indoda ebeyikhona ukugcoka boma Abita gqoka boma Gucci
yazi mosebedile
sepedile out yami ezinye seyizele lena
so manje njengoba usayibeka indaba yeMary angifuni ikudlule kule topic because previous episode kube nayo itopic ekanje efaka email yabona but mina nawe since sila kuvuthwa ndaba because the last it was towards end of the episode so some people maybe they didn't reach to that stage ukukhuluma ngale
yes
manje when do you blame email when kuthina ngabe sekushubile zakhombisa or zashifta or abantu they say ma true colors we made
bra yabona can I stay mina sinyisisho sithi ngabe kuthunyela igundwana ngaliyabuya likutshela
kuthi kambani
yeah umuntu you can judge the book by its cover but when you go through it is not like that mase kucala ukukhuphukela bra awusana mali phela by that time
yeah
ngiyabheda sekumele uzocela yena ngicela ungiphi 1 rand legwayi mina nginamali you understand so in that time kwatholakala ukuthi le maid ithola ispan
yeah
you understand yasebenza somewhere
while ubloma naye
why ngisabloma naye like that you understand thola ispan makathola ispan is like vele sengiyayibona ukuthi hayi seyishubile namafoni noma sengimele ngize kibo ngizolala sima sengifona isabanjwa sekumele uzongena uzokokota you understand so up until uzuthola amagama abhlungu so uhlala ngamagama abhlungu
but do you blame them
ngiyaba blame mfethu amamedi amanye awayi ngothande empilweni eyomfana baya ngala particular ukuthi you've got something
but when if ungazifaka ecathuleni zabo medi will you go to somebody ongananisi uyimeli wena
no mina injalo awuthambela ngeke kuye emntwini ongananisi because udinga progress but alright mawuthola umuntu ana something yabona mina like ukuthi ngifuna ukufundisela nabanye phambili especially kuma medi
yeah that's the aim
if you find someone you've got something then zama ukuthi Now angithi uyazama ukuthi akuphushe nga something. So I can't name it ngizamile ukuphusha nga something. So zama ukuthi nawe ube ungazama ukuthi asihlale ekhaya. Oyimedi zama ukuthi akafuni stand, akuthi uyamthanda. Akafuni stand. So ngibone lapho ukuthi ugeli beyangeke ethandweni. Ngabe bekanethando ugeli onethando sometimes omunye uqina ubhoka ngolaka.
Yeah.
Into asifuni stand.
So kahle kahle yena bekazele ukuvala indlala.
Bekazele ukuvala indlala. Shoot bekazele ukuthi azokhuphuka yazi unyathela omunye enhloko ukhuphuka.
Yeah, of course.
So up until wasebenza zange ngithole ngabuye ekhaya bangamukela hayi still uyaphusha kushaphu sinencosi. Then that girl at the end of the day ngithe masengena ku shutdown. So umuntu ungifakela incwadi mele ngiye ekhotho maintenance. By that like sign ama ongoing contract. So ngaye ekhotho I told them ukuthi sign but at this morning bank statement ngabakhomba everything. Bathi budayi mawukhonile ukhona bambuza uyamenzela umntwana dayi uyamenzela umntwana makasebenza. Bambuza manje why sisi ngothi uyambona usebenza kanjani uyamazi usebenza kanjani hayi uhola imali eningi makasebenza wenze ukuthi nokuthi up until bra uyabona amashadana wasekho
yaphela.
So mina ngibuya kule point lakho lokuthi amameli amanye awayi with the true love. I true love yasala kuboma mabethu laba bamanje is like if kwaphela something which means selinothando seliphelile.
Yeah, because nowadays it's all about poster and posting ukuthi ubani nani
yes
udla ini ugcokeni nihamba ama trip kuphi.
Exactly my bro.
Yeah. So if ever ucherry lo umuntu lo nangabe lento le ayisekho uya escape.
Udla phansi. Oze ngothando loqiniso uzofika nidla ikhabishi ngeke athi usuthi yizi noma ngabe udlile kimi uzokukhomba ukuthi ngumuntu ethi nami ngidla.
Okay.
Ekseni avuka umbona umntana abantu lona ubonayo ushuthi yabona ukukhula sometimes that is why bathi kuneyinhlelo ezi4 zokukhula. Ukune preschool, kube ne primary, kube ne secondary, kube ne tertiary level. Once you missed one of those, which means ikhona okunye empilweni ozokumista. Uyayibona into
nje angeke kube lula.
Ngothi lo muntu phela bekezelele into ayizele. Ayisekho. Then
manje
ubona ukuthi no yazi this is an opportunity. Believe ukuthi ngelinye ilanga umuntu akutshela ukuthi yes mina ngishela abantu beyimonto abantu abahamba ngamaphotsho uyini wena. Umbuzo uthi lo muntu engiphile naye iminyaka emingaka all alone is like he was baby daddy you understand that baby what senomntwana naye sayisayine izinto zatshintsha thiwa yabona mfethu kunegama engilikhumbulayo futhi yabona ngabe nganothisa lelo gama mhlambe ngana sempilweni ngiphambili ngikho la ngikhona manje kwakwangitshela ngelinye ilanga ngathi wena ngizokuyeka ungakholwa ngikholwa amehlo akho
and vele
ahleka ceda wahleka athi ngiyadlala sithando sami
kube wafatela lamagama mhlambe ngabe yeah
ngangisekudeni bro
but ngoba uthando
so ezinye email zikutshintsha ukuthi uhlukane nefamily yakho ekugcineni usalo sesibangabangeni
but mokulelo point lokuthi ukwenze wahlukana nefamily ukutshelile ukuthi bayeka or wena ubone ngathi into right yokuthi uplome nayo edladleni ongasayi
mina uthi kuso ngizokuprefer just kancane ngadibana nogeli ngivakashile kagogo you understand ngikhulela la eMbalenhle ngivakashile kagogo kaNdebele ngadibana nogeli sashilana nogeli sazwana vele that time benganamuntu bengihila that time yabona bengisakhula nje that time vele ngekho indabeni zokuthi bathandana yeah sashilana saba right ugeli bekanomntwana ugeli masuka lapho brokhapa then wangifihlele okunye okay ngitshele okunye sesithandana uthi thamona nosenza so mina bengihlala nomuntu ethembisa like so anyway isathandana let the life goes on
yeah
ugeli weze ekhaya wazovakasha sajika la eMbalenhle asuka kaNdebele wajika wabuya futhi makabuya uyazi ngikhulele eKasi ngisebenze kusile ngivakasha is like ngama Thursday ngihamba ngama Monday sometimes Sunday
yeah
so in Friday in the morning ngifike na Thursday Friday in the morning ngikhulele eKasi mfethu yazi makhulele eKasi maphuma ethengisinkwa amajita azokubona gcina sendiploma namajita abanye nikhule nabo yabona nibambi khona nonke moseyo mele uringe namajita ethu kanti is like yena itshele ukuthi ngihamba isikhathanyana eside yabo kuphuma namajita uma avuke athi mntanami buye ekitchen ubani wakabana achaza ya mama uyambona uThepho yini nani mina vele mangenza sonke ngifaka i-breach of promise ngelinye ilanga uma ngithi ngibuya kwi-weekend umathi yazini mntanami akombheki ugeli ngithi mama kanjani hayi man ugeli azongikhulumela amagama aso and i-breach of promise ngithi ne man mama hayi ungawara kube right ungabi nenkinga silently la ngaqala khona nami bezange ngibone ngathi ngiyafona i-month end thi ngovakasha ekhaya ngizokubona because last month bengini ya mangaba uzi lana ungasezi vele yini nani wena vele umama wakho yini nana no spoil boy yazi uthando lunjani
mama spade
gcina ngokuthi amajita ezembalente into amajita nayo imali ngizondlula ekhaya ngidrift iholiday ugibele ushone kaNdebele ube right so demo uphila no girl awuziboni ezinye zezinto izinto uzirealize senihlukene ukuthi yazi lamagama ngabe ngaya kiwo
or la bengilahle side
ngothi nabazali phela bayakutshela ukuthi ayi lo uyimakoti ayi lo akusuyima uma umzali akakukhethile umzali uzwa ngenkulumo so up until ugela zachintsha istory sokuthi umama wakho uyangizonda ngimbuze ngithi umama wakho ukuzonda kanjani umama wami ungizonda kanjani athi ke namanje ya umama wakho hayi nje umama wakho uyangizonda yazi mase uthandweni nawe ugcina uvaleke like uvaleke avele nawe ugcina ukuthi uma ngaba kamthanda umuntu wami nami ngifika ngiyekhaya yayinana kanti checka uphila nomuntu from 2012 up until to 2050 up until to iservice yaqala ku 2020 makungena iCovid yena wathola ispan 2019
qala lapho
ya kahle kahle aqala ku 2019 mina nginokuphuma ngekuma Sasolburg ngikwenza ama test ngibuye ulinde yabo phume umudupi ubuye ulinde phume kuphi ubhala ama test ubuye ulinde maba ngakufonela yazi ukuthi maba kufonela ushayele 2 weeks ubuye so ubuyela khabogela understand you understand so this thing lena ibuye ngibone sekulate uthi no man this thing lena kahle kahle uma beyangamzoni umzali uyabona umntana wami la angeke uzobhayizisela then ekugcineni ya umama wakho ngothi ubona ngathi mina ngidla imali yakho yinana awuziboni zonke lezi zinto sethandweni nawe vele uthi uma uyabhela manje mangimsubsidise with that cash ngenyanga uzoba grand iningi idlela wena up until nami sengitshintsha ugela uthe makabuya kimi ngasathi akasakufuni akasangifuni ya mina bengakwazi lapho uhlala khona ima uyibhenga ukuthi bohlala nobani ulala nobani
sekeza nendaba nje sibhaye
hey mfethu it was so sad
then mase ubuyela edladleni njengoba sowubuyile olady la welcome ngendlela egrand how was life ke lapho bosophusha kanjani
iolady umntanalo olady nankinga ekseni makavuka emsebenzini olady akutshela sala ugeza izitsha sale wenzeni ayi 10 rand uzobona ukuthi mina uthenga yini ngathi olady sometimes guys uyabhema but akutsheli straight ukuthi imali ukwayo vela tayi nayi 10 rand olady waphusha as like umntwana engikhule ngayo ezinye izinto bengisaba nokuvula ifridge because uyazi ukudla bengikhaya bengasahlali khona ukudla bengasakuthini ubaba kanankinga ubaba kubone umbashile baba buya la ayongiyela sicela ngithenge cold drink nik 50 rand thenga cold drink 1.25 makuthi baba nayijata hayi ngawari kuleka mfana sho ukuthi ekhaya zange babe nenkinga but la ngazibona khona iblame ukuthi ngena manje
mele ngabe ngiyahlanganisa ke no
and ekhaya bathi sebenza ubeka imali uzokwazi ukuthatha umfazi thina la ekhaya ungasipay kakhulu thina
zama ukubuilda yakhe
ifamily build yakhe impilo baba my father was used to say I already run my race so try to run your race because unomntwana manje so zama yazi ukuphuma esandleni sabantwana sabazali nangapha ubamba they call it bad fear yabangani umngani makathi yini le ngathi uyawina madayizi mngani sidlala kaso uthi maye senza njani umngani mawubuya le uphethe imali uyaqoqeka so ukwabona ucala into somdala bo ma 2015 into ongayazi
indeyo amadayizi
ucala somdala uyabo ukuthi impilo imnandi uNkulunkulu uyasipha ama opportunities ungibona namhla yapha until ngi end up sengeza imoto uNkulunkulu yakupha ama opportunities you understand out here so ezinye izinto nama angeke ngiblame omunye umuntu ngempilo yami ngizoziblame mina ngokungazange ukusebenzisa umqondo mina ngizalwa ifamily ekhona ukuhlala nawe phansi guide even if kibo baba bakhona ukuhlala nawe phansi abo auntie bami baguide even there's a brother of mine khona la eMbalenhle izimntana kababa omkhulu wami loyo no yes simbiza umjeni no yes
very straightforward
he's straight talker lesi if ngabe uflopile ngabe uzwile mafika bafo 1 2 and then bafo wrong 1 2 mawuthatha I don't need explanation ngeke abantu abayithi bakhuluma into wrong ngawo if we want ngabe right so ezinye izinto kwabona umuntu right khona ukumbalekela
vele life ini vele kunjani
skime laba mawufika emngana uthenge 4
bavumela yonke into
mawufika emngana uthenge 4 mawufika uzokhetha eksezwakala ibamba ikhathi lama lihlale kuwo uzothenga utshwala kungabonakala ukuthi yimi ngithenga utshwala beyibona into njengale
so manje 11 akaze kufike to a stage ukuthi ugcine mhlambe sokuba ucabanga ukupatanisa ngokuganga crime or something enjengaleyo.
Mabra inokufika lento leyo net inkinga yami iyi1 phese ngisaba isithunzi sami ngisaba ama fingerprint ngothi sometimes sasol sasiphanda kiyo
indeed
ama fingerprint criminal record unokuthi uthulambe kahle ungene eChoprite ucabanga untshontshe ichocolate mara ukuzicabanga mabanga ngibamba
mara musine chocolate angeke usuthi
mabra yazi sometimes mase stressing usenkingeni uyangena esitolo unganamali ucabanga ngotshontshe uyithatha into ucabanga ukuthi ngifake esikhwameni umntanami ngcono ngophanda ngalendlela engiphanda ngakhona.
So manje ngoba ngibona ilihlo ngathi likhawathekile into yanini leyo or kwenzakalani
ukukhawatheka kwami kwelihlo ngazikhawathanga ngimncane. There was a section ebayibiza i-extension ema-E white under eMbalenhle primary ngapha ngomuva bekune section ebathi sema E. Babami uzalwela eMbalenhle uthe makaqala khula athatha umamami bathi ubaba omkhulu wamathi uthi omdala inkunzi ezithiwa ehlala isibayeni esiwani ngapofuna sakhe wamfunela umkhulu yena wamfunela istand sangiva ukhulela ngale. So ilihlo ngilimala kanjani there was ubaba wami mechanic there was a sharp iron ebekana ukuthi sometimes maka aligner afake yona iron akekho ubaba wami useyokenika somewhere uma wasemsebenzini thathe that object ngi1 ngiyaganga ngithathe besibiza ijorsaka ngiphumele ngaphandle ngigqoke uniform ngibuye esikolweni ezama ukuthi kunelabo esibiza khona ukuthi kapompompo and mina my duty mangiphuma esikoleni kumele ngiclean ngenze angiqali ngaloko ngibangani ngithathe ijorsaka mangifika ngibekele ijorsaka ngithi kubangani yazi ngaliguga lejorsaka so nethi mangithi so ngihlabe ipiece yabo ijorsaka ngathi lijoinene so ngihlabe ipiece up until the piece is a true elihlweni. So ngothi ekhaya umama ubaba baphila nabantu makhelwana aphume thatha imoto fast ngithathe angimikise ele-extension 11 kaDr Ishmael. Dr Ishmael angithathe angimikise angitransferere eJoburg. Umama bamfonela eSasoni uthe umntana khonza so umama kafika kaIshmael mina sengibuyele emuva mafika ekhaya thapho kwenza nje sebangibhandishile emakho kwenzakala 1 2 eksela ngithatha ngimikise there's a abasibiza ST Joint seJoburg next to iBarakwana. Umama mfethu umama wasogola kakhulu ngimncane ngihamba isibhedlela ngihamba isibhedlela.
So manje ma uspana akubi nenkinga or ijob yakho limited to ukuthi ungenza into kanje because of your condition?
No bra mina ngisebenza nge-dangerous job
like scaffolding.
No, rigging
okay yeah.
Yes, rigging. So I'm a qualified rigger although ngazange ngibe nentanta permanent. So i-rigging idinga eyesight. Kukaningi ngidibana nazo into ezinjengalezo kuma medical station by the fact ukuthi ke namanje abakhona ukungivimba ilo yasemzansi ukuthi even if there is a in company some others they take me as a disabled person.
Bakucasha as a umuntu disabled?
No bangithatha as a disabled person. Bathi ngathi ngumuntu disabled is like makunabantu kumele kube nomuntu disabled.
Ngisho kanjalo. Okay,
so utholakala ukuthi mina ngikho disabled. So there was a doctor sasolo nokungilwele esikhathini esiningi maqala kwenzeka lesidingo medical station ngivele ngilande yena ngimtshela ukuthi kunjani doctor no everybody got a right to work
more especially mabakutesta and it ukuthi
yes
sharp
then which means you're using a left eye with the right eye is a blind eye then unokwatshela ama sister maningi with the right eye is a blind eye
so actually left
ngikeni chance and this thing maba check record I'm been while kule field so babone ukuthi hayi man this guy ama medical azange wafile because bake bakhona ngiyenga they call health is somewhere I can't name it. So kwatholakala ukuthi kumele ba verify kuyo wonke ama health by that like manje ku medical ngisuke phese ngihamba nezinto because I know ukuthi doping king kumele ukuthi ba verify kuyo wonke ama health engihambile
ukuthi
from Sasolburg Durban nanana but lo muntu simazi njengoba njalo ngicomplete isikolo ngesobra grade 12 like this I was doing maths and science. That is why my mom was so choosy for me. Why you don't do this?
So mfethu because siyabona ekhaya sinokukhula nabantu abangekho sharp mostly aba disabled abanye bavele ba disabled. So what kept you going noma ngabe usescared because lento ngeze uthi uqale usesemncane obviously scared maybe they were abantwana abakuthizayo nani so ukhona ukuthi uzicontrol kanjani ukuthi lento leyo ungayinaki nje ukuthi okay let me just focus on myself.
There was a friend of mine when I was doing my secondary level. His name was Vusi Bukhali. Uvusi wakutshela into eyi-1 you know what Tshepo ngimhlophe mina angibizi white. So kumele understand into ekuwe bazokubiza ngayo. So ungalwi because ikuwe injalo. Even my mom was used to tell me that my son, you know what, let me tell you something. I know you are under other situation. So people, they will call you names.
Of course, yeah.
But so now the only thing that you need to do it is just ignore them. So the only thing that you're going to do for me, don't even answer them. Just ignore them. Yeah. Although it's so painful, try it by all means. Even my late auntie was used to tell me, but you know what, come here. I understand your situation. There are many people that they are like that in life. So you are not one who choose to be like that. It's only God's staples. So if what people what they are saying, just try to ignore them. Just live your life. Even if don't be angry for them. Even tomorrow, just try to greet that person
and just move on with your life.
Move on with the life.
So akaze kufike empilweni yakho ukuthi mhlambe kwenzeke something and you wish ukuthi ube mhlambe azanke wakhawathela.
Iyake ifike mabra wena ngiza kwamanye ama-job. Khona amanye ama-job kune-learnership engayi-applyela. Ngiyangisha kakhulu ngakhona ukuthi ngifike ekhaya ngingene ekamereni ngikhale. Ngayiphasa i-learnership i-aptitude test yakhona kumele ngiye ku-medical. Ukufika ku-medical kwathiwa no, a person who got one eye never qualified for this job. And I was need that leadership. I was need that trade. You understand? Although it was not my trade, but anyway, according to ngendlela ebesengibone performa ngakhona. Ngendlela ebesengizwa ngakhona. So besengizimisele ukuthi I'm going to do this trade. I need this trade. So nga-apply leadership up until ku-leadership ngafika i-aptitude test ngayiphasa ngiya ku-medical but no. Especially you going to underground. So you are not qualified to uthikena manje
ungena underground.
Yeah, ungena underground. We've got one eye.
So alikhawathi because manje I see there no khala mhlambe
no
nelanga or maybe it's cloudy, something like that affects.
Affecting my brother. It's like ukhala vele udoctor wangitshela. It's like people if got angithi kwalimali iris.
Yeah.
Yes, makulimali iris there's kunomsipha omunye okhona. Lo msipha zangu limali. So bantu babakhipha that iris ngaphakathi. Kwamele lo msipha bawugobe bawuvale. That is why utholakala ukuthi bathi abadoctor abanye banokuthi mongathola imali we can ukuthi sikutholele an other iris engakhona ukuthi si open up lo msipha sikhona ukujoina although lingeke libone 100%
but lizo function.
But lizokhona ukuthi li function.
No, I do understand. So, because another question that I want to ask, because Mbona isn't as a buyer, because we see a pandemic, the drugs in our country, which is very, very toxic. So, when it comes to you, what do you think of that? Because you never went to drugs, and what do you think drugs according to you? Uqabanga kwakho noma ngendlela wena ubona ngawo umhlaba ungakhona or i-country or your surroundings ukuthi yini yenza ukuthi abantu ababhaya bapusheleke to drugs.
Firstly, my bra, what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna blame our government.
Okay.
Firstly, I'm gonna blame our government. I can't name it on top of the person that they are there on top, but especially for the youth that they are always now swimming in the drugs, is there lack of the government.